Uy, ang ganda niya ni Butiki. Hala, ang ganda ni Butiki, madam. Next na, madam, for only 169 pesos. Ito daw, quality. Ay, ang ganda. Semi-large lang to, madam. Kasi maliit ang kanyang waistline. Madam, best fit to semi-large, 169 pesos. Madam, up to semi-large, mayan. Mine dudong, up to semi-large, malambot ang tela quality. Mine dudong, para siyang cotton, madam, na quality. Mine dudong, up to semi-large, na pa-fit yan sa center. Mayan dudong, for only 169. Dudong, semi-large, 169 pesos. Next na, madam.
My dudong, down this one, medium to large. Medium to large, madam. Mayan, Spider-Man. Mine, Spider-Man, madam. Medium to large, 169. Mine, Spider-Man. Medium to large, 169. Mayan, Spider-Man. Next one, madam.
Mayan, Spider-Man. Uy, ayun, Madam Ariel. Baka gusto niyo si Spider-Man daw. Ang ganda nun, madam. Uy, down this one. Parang branded ata to down. Parang Uniqlo. For only 169, ang ganda. Up to semi-med. Adam, up to semi-med. Mine attractive. Mine attractive. Super nice po ito, madam. Up to semi-med for only 169 pesos. Mine attractive. Up to semi-med, 169. Attractive. Up to semi-med. Para pa Uniqlo ang tela. Next na, madam.
Mayan,
Attractive. Hindi super stretchable si attractive dam ha, kaya up to semi-med. Parang Uniqlo siya na kaso, Uniqlo talaga. Carry pa siya medium, pero dam, maliit yung book. Carry na day dam, carry siya up to medium dam, branded by Uniqlo. Madam, Vans UV, yours na si attractive, Madam Vans. Please screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Maria Siega. Next na, madam.
Next, madam. Down this one, small to semi-med. Small to semi-med, mine Coachella. Mine Coachella, madam, small to semi-med. For only 169 pesos. Mine Coachella, small to semi-med, 169. Mine Coachella, small to semi-med, 169. Uy, pangkot. Charis. Next na, madam.
Uy, madam, Vans UV. Dam, eto dam ba? Actually, washable lang nahugaw. Dam, hanap mo. Wait lang, dam, ato lang i-check. Ato lang, this is countan, madam. Ayan, na-siya murag. Dili kayo siya maklaro, dam, kay tungod sa iyong color. Dam, 100 lang ni yellow stain. Ayan, madam. Ay, di lang ko sure, madam, di ay kung washable. Dili ko sure if washable. 100 pesos lang po ito, madam. Madam Vans UV, pa-confirm ko dam kung kwaon mo 100 lang to, madam. Si attractive. Ay, kagwapaan niyo dam. Uy, labhan lang. Discardan lang, madam. Baka marunong kayo maglaban ng ganyang dumi. Ang iyong pagka-yellow stain na ka ng murag na dugay na sa cabinet. Ingana na yellow stain. Ay, Madam Vans UV, pa-confirm po ako dam second minor, Madam Maria Siega. Dam, next na, madam, for only 169. Confirm na daw. Madam Vans, please ka screenshot ni, dam, 100. I-screenshot ang dam ha, ang price, kay baka mamali ng si admin. Madam, yours na, Madam Vans, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 100 pesos. Next na, madam.
Next, madam. Down this one for only 169 pesos. Down extra small to small. Extra small to small, mine Santa. Mine Santa, extra small to small, 169. Mine Santa, extra small to small, 169. Mine Santa, extra small to small. Next naman.
Ay, ka-cute. Uy, i-reserve nyo na. I-reserve nyo na pang Christmas. Madam Lopol, ikaw next, madam. Third minor pala. Third minor sa attractive. Madam Alea Clarin. Dam, location po natin, dam. Talisay as Cebu City, madam. Winship po nationwide, dam, everyday. Except Sundays lang po, madam. Through JNT, door-to-door. Payment first po tayo, madam. Sa items and SF, madam. Dam, this one, 76 pang cover up lang sa beach. Bakit? Meron siyang tas-tas gamay dam. Dam, ayan, meron siyang tas-tas gamay. For only 70 wala cash. Madam, ganyan siya dam ha. Meron siyang tas-tas. 76 pesos lang to dam. Medium to large. Pang cover up sa beach. Very malambot. Medium to large, 76. Mine discounted. Mine discounted. Medium to large, 76 pesos. Mine discounted. Medium to large, 76. Madam Alia, shipping fee po natin dam nakadepende sa number of items. Please check your messenger, Madam Alia. Meron po kaming isi-send sa inyo dam. 76 lang si discounted. Next na.
Mine discounted. Down this one small. Small, madam, for only 169. Mine pickle. Mine pickle, madam, small, madam, 169 pesos. Mine pickle, madam, small, madam, 169. Mine pickle. Next na, madam.
Mayan Pickle for only 169. Madam Marian, namayin na po yun si Attractive, Madam. Madam! Hello, Madam Neneng Abroad. Good afternoon, Madam. Location po natin, Madam. Talisay and Cebu City, Madam. We ship po nationwide, Madam, every day, except Sundays. Third J&T door-to-door. Payment first po tayo, Madam, sa items and SF, Madam. Then this one, large. Large po ito, dam. More on cotton po ang kanyang pagkatela. Cotton ang kanyang tela, dam, ha. Tapos with side pockets. Up to large, 169. Mine lingwahe. Mine lingwahe, madam. Best fit to large. For only 169 pesos. Mine lingwahe. Large, madam, with side pockets. For only 169. Mine lingwahe. Madam Annalyn Orange.